Hi, I'm Farida from Indonesia. Today I will show you how to make dragon. And this dragon, someone request me. We was communication in Instagram. Kriya Amigurumi, my Instagram. Okay, let's for make dragon Amigurumi. Okay, start for make head. Row 1. Make 6 magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 2, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet, 2 single crochet in next stitch. Single crochet, 2 single crochet. We will have 9 single crochet for total. Row 3 to row 4, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until row 4. Row 5, the first stitch make 2 single crochet. Next stitch 2 single crochet again. Next stitch 2 single crochet and single crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 6, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Follow this pattern. Row 7, the first stitch make single crochet. Next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet, 2 single crochet, next stitch. Single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet and make single crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 8, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 15 single crochet for total. Row 9, make single crochet 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then make 2 single crochet 4 times. 2 single crochet, next stitch, 2 single crochet, next stitch, 2 single crochet, once again 2 single crochet. We will have 19 single crochet for total. Row 10 to row 11, we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 19 single crochet for total. Follow until row 11. Row 12, make single crochet 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then make decrease 4 times. 1, invisible decrease, 2, 3, 4. Row 13, we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 15 single crochet for total. Row 14, make single crochet in the first stitch, next stitch decrease, single crochet, decrease, once again single crochet, decrease, then make single crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Row 15 to row 89, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this part. Remember, row 15 to row 89, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow until row 89. Bit by bit, fill the crown. Remember, when you fill the crown, don't full. Okay, don't go full, because the last we will enter wire, and continue again. Do crochet. Okay. I have a double wire, and don't forget for fill the crown, and then enter wire, until head, dragon head. Okay, continue again.
Row 90.
The first row, make single crochet. Next row, make decrease. Single crochet, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 8 single crochet for total. Make single crochet every stitches. Single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 8 single crochet for total. 101. Make single crochet 2 times. 1, 2. Oh yeah, after you finish make row 100, fill the crown. Next stitch, make decrease. Single crochet 2 times. And decrease. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Now 102, 106. Make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. And close by hand. And cut yarn. Okay, now we make ears. Make 6 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 3 jumps again. 1, 2, 3, and then make half double crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, turn your work, make single crochet, and then make half double crochet 6 times in the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, turn you, and then go crochet, sorry, half double crochet in the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, single crochet in each chain, and then make half double crochet again, and then make half double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, chain 1, and then cut yarn. Chain 1, and then make decrease. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make 2 for ears. Make 6 magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, row 2 to row 3, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 6 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet, then make decrease, single crochet. We will have 3 single crochet. Turn your work and then make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and make single crochet in here 2 times again. 1, 2, and slip stitch. Row 6, row 7, make single crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch. Row 8, make single crochet, next stitch to single crochet, single crochet again, 2 single crochet, last stitch, make single crochet. Row 9 to 13, we make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until row 13, we will have 7 single crochet for total. Don't forget for fill the crown and make 2 horns. Make 2 horns.